What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Today, I just want to show you this video of our fishing trip over the weekend. It was a very short fishing trip. The main trip was supposed to be for something else, but I had some time, so I've been planning to go fish in this lake, this reservoir for a while, and since I was there close to it, might as well I took that chance. So here I am at my sister's house in Las Vegas, and we're supposed to go to a baby shower thing in the evening, but I got there early, so I asked my brother-in-law, hey, let's go try this lake, and I been wanting to go there for a long time. So yep, we drove from Las Vegas to this reservoirs in Utah. It's at the Enterprise Reservoir. It's an hour away from St. George, Utah, so it wasn't that bad. And we went there, and we start fishing. It was a little bit windy. That was a little bit of concern too, with driving the big van, but my brother-in-law insists that he wanted to. So off we went, and it takes about 3 hours from Las Vegas, and the road to go there. If you haven't driven this road from on the 15 freeway north into Utah, it's so beautiful. And here, go enjoy the scenic clip, and I'll see you at the fishing ground. And here we are arriving at the Enterprise Reservoir. This is the upper reservoir, and uh, first we were at the overlooking at the lake. This from the campground right here. It's the campground. You can just walk down to the lake and start fishing, and then it was a lot of small fish around there. Now we went to a different area. I caught the first trout, and it was really good size. I let my brother recorded me, but he did not know how to use the phone, so he did not record me. So I'm recording him. That's the second fish we caught when we get to that spot there. Look at that trout. It's so beautiful. The fin, the tail is full. It looks like wild trout, and they fight. I mean, these are pound to pound and a half trout, but they're good fighter. They're good fighters, and very fun to catch. So we were catching one after another. Everybody was catching. We had only less than an hour to fish, but it wasn't disappointed. You know, it was windy though. It was windy. You'll see what I mean. But um, they bite even though in the wind. I was just using power bait. Look at the size of that trout. That is so nice. The color, the rainbow color, and everything. Yeah, so clean. My brother-in-law ran to another one while we just netted one here and the other one was biting, but I think he missed that one. Here, my second one I caught. Man, they were like pulling drags, these trouts, and it's very easy to fish to the area. We just park right there and cast out about 30 feet out, and we were catching them. And you can see the wind was also blowing. Ooh, look at that trout. Yeah, so we had a lot of fun catching these trout in a short period of time. You know, it was not disappointed. Mm, you know, the quality of the fish and everything. First time uh, being in that lake, and we already caught these nice size. So I think we're hooked to that lake. So whenever next time I have time to be around there, I'll definitely drop by. Actually, I also wanted to see the camping area, you know, around there. So they have some nice camping spot, nice dispersed camping. So it's perfect for our vans, family and stuff. You know, just camp by the lake and catch a couple of trout and do some cooking there. That'll be fun. Yep. Again, look at the size of that trout, the quality, and the elevation around here. I think it's about 5,000 plus feet. So, and I think it's always windy up there too. So um, there might be days that you go without the wind. Maybe it's nice. So look at that, one after another. I caught my limit, and then everybody else caught 2, 3, and we just we ran out of time. So so far we caught about the same size trout, but I think there's some good size, some bigger ones in there. Because watch my next one. That one pulled my drag, and I couldn't pull it up. I couldn't pull it up, and man, yeah, it felt like it was a heavier fish. Look at that. Yeah, this one I try to bring it to the net, you know, reel it in, but I couldn't, because it was very strong, and I felt it heavier. It could be a bigger size than the normal ones. Yep. Let's check it out. Yeah, it kept on going back, you know, taking my spool, and I couldn't see it so clear, but it was a big sprout. Yeah, I kept fighting with that fish for for a while, and it came and then it took off again and came and it took off again. It was fun. It was so much fun. I didn't expect, those size fish in that honestly in that reservoir honestly. Uh, and then boom, I broke my yep, broke my hook, broke with my 4 pound test line, and then it hit the van window. I With that sinker, I almost broke the window. Um, but and anyways, right after that, I caught another fish. It was so much fun. It was so much fun for that short time, and that lake is known for these guys too. The smallmouth bass. So you're allowed to catch 6 of these from this lake. So next time I go, I want to catch these just for fun. You know, cast for the smallmouth bass. That should be fun. But yeah, we had a good time there, and nobody wants to leave. But yeah, we didn't have time that day, so we had to leave. Uh, After like 10 minutes or so, my brother-in-law and his son, my nephew, were still catching the last fish. Yeah, we had a lot. And while I was cleaning up, I still had my lines in the water. Next thing I know, boom, it went. And check this out. This is funny. I was, showing off my fish right here, um, while my other pole there is still my line is still in the water, and while I'm talking, and my brother was recording me. Watch that pole behind me. Watch, it's gonna go. And my brother like, oh, go 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 go. Okay, it's gonna start going right there. Watch that pole. You see that? You see that? Yeah, it went. Yeah, it was funny. It was funny. But we didn't hook that one. Yeah, we missed that one. So that's it. This is my last fish there, and we had to reel everything up, and we leave from there. But as you can see, we had a lot of fun, uh, good times there for a 45 minutes. Did it catch fish? No, no, I don't think so. I think, yeah, we lost that one there. Um, let's see. Yeah, no fish in that one. We lost it. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching.